Okay, in this video I'm going to talk about how to make a timeline using Google Draw. So I've already opened it up to an untitled drawing, and we're going to call this iLine Timeline. And to make a timeline we're going to need a line, so we can go up to our ribbon up here and click on line, and let's make a straight line, best straight line we can. And I'm keeping these up because it sort of helps guide us. Now I want to make the line a little bit thicker, so let's make it 4. And we can change the color. So for this one, let's make it a dark green. We have our line here. And we also have this, so let's move this over to our ending, so we have an end point. And try to line it up straight, as straight as we can. And because that's a pretty good one, using Control D or Command D, let's make another one for the other side. So now we have our 2 lines. So we have our beginning and our end. Yeah. Now I want to make the background white because that'll be important later on. So I right click, white. Now to make a timeline I need some boxes to give us the dates. So we'll start with the text box. And we want to make 5 of these. And 1934 is our first date, so we'll do that. And we want to make a line around the box. We want to keep similar color. Let's make it a little bit thicker. So now we have our 3, we have the first of our 5 boxes. So again, using Command D or Control D, we can make our 5 boxes. Since we don't want 1934 in all of them, let's erase the 1934 in this one. And let's make 3 more boxes using the same Command D. Now we also would like to make a connection to the line, and we can do that by inserting a shape. So one shape we can use is a diamond, but we could use, we could use any one of these, but let's take a diamond and put it here. And that one is a filled one, so we go up to fill color, and let's make that a dark green. We want our outside line also to be dark green, so we have a consistent color. And again, let's use Control D or Command D to line up. We can always check here, click on it, to make sure we get to the middle. To get to the middle with our. So we'll click on this and make another one. Now what would be really nice is if we had a background here. So I've already picked my picture, which is this picture of the High Line. So I want to copy and paste it into our image here. So I paste the image and I resize it to make it to cover this. and then I right click on it and I want to send it to the back. So now it's in the backward. The image is still too bright and it's covering up all of our, and so we go up to image options up here, and notice it opens this up here, and there's no transparency. So let's make it more transparent if we can. And now we have to decide how transparent we want it. We want to be able to see our timeline. That might be well enough. Let's move this in. And we're going to squish our picture a little bit. So now we have our template to make a timeline. And we can continue from there by adding the information into the squares. Now you have to bring this forward. Maybe we have to send it back again. So now we have this, and we can finish our timeline by adding our images, our information, and adjusting the text. So you'll make the text darker. With bolding it, we can change the color of the text and add our information for our timeline. And so that's how to make a timeline. And that's what we can use to make our timeline for the 5 key dates or the 5 key years and key events of the Highline. Okay, thank you.